coming along here with this project. I removed a lot of rocks, but my real goal was to kind of just clean this area up. This rock formation was kind of all the way over to here. It's just kind of silly. Might as well just kind of even it up with the wall. That was really the point of this. And then this way the grass, we go right to the end, little rock wall. I would say all that greenery will come in and kind of hide that better and make it look a little bit more presentable. The truth of the matter is no one sees this. You know, it's not like anybody walks here. Got to clean all this up, trim this. I got to do something with this. But for me, I don't have any hiding spaces here in my own property to hide junk or anything like that. So it's somewhat difficult, you know what I mean? But yeah, this should come out nice. Just get rid of the rest of these rocks and kill off any of these sort of protruding roots that are coming through. But yeah, these were just planted not that long ago also, and that should become a nice wall. What I'm doing is I do throw some on the top also, because what's going to happen is I'm going to water this thing. And I kind of feel like I like to mix them up, bottom, top, create my holes. It's just dry in this section. The other thing is I had sprayed over here a lot of weeds, clovers, so these were also sections where that stuff was. You know, the other thing is too, the soil underneath is probably falling down. You know, not much I could do. Probably gonna have to get another bag for this section. It's just very, you know, the funny thing is, it's not compacted here at all. And it should be. I've thrown a lot of soil in this area. What I do want to do is I'm going to run the hose, see if, you know, everything's just kind of flowing into these holes, flowing down. That's the problem with living on the slope, hills, trying to do this stuff. It also sucks when you have to do the lawnmower in here. And that's why I got those landscaping guys to do it. Yeah, I see a little bit of stuff in there that needs to die. The grass just looks weak over here. We're still in April, so I know come June, this thing is fried. It's going to look like my neighbor's yard over there with their stupid grass. But their grass doesn't need a lot of water. I forget what that thing's called. Yeah, the grass over there, they don't have to water it as much, but mine in the winter is super green. You know, probably the easiest thing to do would be, of course, to get turf or cement.